Hi, I'm Ryan Bollinger from the Wheel Group, and to come talk to you today of one of our 14 enthusiast brands, and today it's going to be Tuff Overland. This is our Alpha 2 rooftop tent. Couple features and benefits right off of the rip on this one is we'll start with the exterior. It does have 2 windows on the sides with flies, as well as a built-in rain fly right here in the front. Also included with every purchase is an accessory bag to hang on the outside of your tent, as well as a shoe bag, somewhere to store your stuff. That way you're not having to put it inside your tent when you're going inside at night. Then one other thing we did include to kind of separate us and bring us apart is we do have already factory installed LED lighting for the outside. Now these strips can go from white and yellow, or just yellow. And the inside, we do have the same LED strip already installed in there as well, and has the same features. It can go white and yellow combo, white or yellow, and we do have a remote where it can go on inside, off outside, both on, kind of flip-flop and set up how you'd like to save your battery. Also on the inside, on our back wall, we do have 6 elastic deep storage pockets, a nice sunroof for stargazing at night when laying on your back, and also a 2.5-inch thick foam pad for a mattress. Moving on from our tent, go into some lighting accessories for your campsite. This one here is our halo light. As you can see here on the top, it can be charged via solar. It can also be plugged in, and it does take 3 D-cell batteries as backup for your campsite. It does have 360 lighting around the edges, and it does have 3 of these little pods that do have a magnet as well as a hook on the back. They can easily pop in and out. And another fun little feature on this one is it does come with its own Bluetooth speaker. And yes, the Bluetooth speaker and the individual pods are all charged by the mothership here. So you don't have to charge them individually, you're charging one unit all at once. This is our tripod stand, and it does have an anchor hook in the middle for those extra windy camp nights. Over here is our Titan. Titan is a little more direct. A couple of the cool things on the Titan though is each one of these big bars does come off. Again, magnets on the back as well as the hook. And one of the coolest things in my opinion about the Titan is each one of these is its own battery bank. So whether you want to throw it in your tent to power your LEDs, you want to plug your cell phone into this that needs charge to give you a couple extra bars, it can be done the same way. This also is solar powered or can be plugged in. Both the Halo and the Titan do come in hard cases. That is the hard case for the Halo. The Titan hard case does have a clear front, so when you put your light in, you can actually charge it on the way to your campsite, and you're able to charge this right through the case itself. So that way, even when at the house, you're not having to pull your light out of the hard case on the Titan. You can plug it right into the wall and ready for your next camping adventure. This is just one of the many offerings we have from Tuff Overland to cover any of your overland needs, whether it be hard shell or soft shell tent lighting accessories, a full line of awnings, annex rooms. All those can be seen at tuffstuffoverland.com or reach out to one of your local sales reps today. Thank you.